My name is Vinod. These are my letters. Here. Hi. And one second. And Vavan. Hello. And Cutie. Cutie. Hello. Cutie. He is right here. And today we're gonna make a puppet. Why did we say it? And all you need is
some pom-pom.
What is this?
Black marker.
What is this?
Glue.
And this? What is this?
Scissors.
What about this?
Pom-poms.
And this?
Googly eyes.
What about this?
Pencil.
And
This?
what about what's this? Paper bag.
Paper bag.
Yes.
What is this?
Okay, what color is it?
Black.
No. Do you know what color it is?
Lead.
What is it? What color is it?
Lead.
What color is this paper?
Pink. But
Oh, it's not red. It's pink. Pink paper. And what is this? What is this?
white.
Yeah, white paper. That's what you need. Let's get started. So first you need to fold the pink piece of paper in half like this.
Oh, so that's
Okay.
wow.
Fold it in half. And then you need to put it inside the paper bag like this because there's a fold right here of the paper bag. And you're gonna see that it's a little bigger. Ron, can you please stay quiet? So it's a little bigger than the fold of the bag. So get a pencil.
The pencil.
1 second. So then get a pencil and put it on. 1 second, Ron. And trace where it's sticking out. So like that.
We can't hold that much.
You cannot hold what that much?
This. I need a pencil fast. Thank you.
Now you have to cut the line that you traced with the scissors. And remember, you folded this part, so make sure the folded sides are on the bottom, and the non-folded sides like this, where it's open, face up. Then you cut. So now the pink paper should fit inside the fold of the paper bag. See?
But
It's fitting.
I'm already done.
Yeah.
Because I didn't know, but I moved it.
So now you gotta glue it on the top and on the bottom. then put it in.
There we go.
Put it in the paper bag fold. So like this. And then okay, yeah, and then trace it like this. And then you cut. Yeah, I can. Just 1 second. Just gotta cut. And then you need to fold it in half like this. Then you cut this. See? Right there. Okay. And now, just trace 2 lines on it. Just 2.
1. Oh.
Good. That's good. So now glue the teeth on the top and the bottom of the paper hole. Yeah, I can do it.
Because I'm tired.
Okay.
Okay.
So now we're gonna put the eyes and the nose. Okay, let's do it. However you want, and we're gonna make a tie, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. To make the tie, you need a triangle and a rectangle piece of construction paper, and then you're supposed to fold the rectangle like this.
Okay,
So
I'm
like
done. Do this.
Oh yeah, crease it, open it back up, and there's going to be the folds over there, and cut them with the scissors, but be very careful because scissors are really super duper sharp.
Yeah. And
Grandpa,
the what? Okay, this is the
so
one drop over
like
there.
this is how you do it.
Over here. One drop over here. Puppet Reed.
And this is Puppet Vivant. And
Hello.
and welcome to Learn with V3. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Bye. See you next time. Bye. Oh look, my puppet's saying bye too.
I think I